Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of July 29th through to August 4th. Wow, are we getting into August already? Which means I need to be getting ready. I should be already getting ready, but for my shop anniversary, which is coming up in a few weeks. But anyway, instead of that, I will be decorating this week with stickers from According to Allie. So I'm going to be using her Desert Blooms, which was part of her July release. And then I'm also going to add in some of her poppies because some of those are actually florals that are in here. So I thought combining the two would look really good. And then I'm going to add in some of her Moss alcohol ink as well. Let's get started. So while I'm filming this, I also have my iPad on the side here watching the Olympic the swimming trials for the Olympics. Anyway, because I don't actually have cable television, so I'm watching on the internet where I can. Scissors. Where are my scissors? Okay. I love Allie's alcohol inks because I think they're just such great additions to any spread. But I think they're a little bit too big for me personally when I'm using them in my Sterling Ink Common Planner, so I always cut them in half so that I can place them on the edges of the spread and make the most of one sticker. So let's put down one of these. Which one would look best in that corner? I think this one. Ooh. Come on, there we go. Yes, just line it up perfectly. There we go. And then I'm going to actually add one of Allie's quotes down here because it matches, kind of matches with the floral in there. I like the take your time. There we go. Then in this other corner, my daughter is currently making cookies upstairs, so I think that will work like that. So let's cut this in half this way. And then the two halves that are remaining, I will use on the top parts of the spread. So putting this down here. Oh, and I did that planner mistake today where, since my husband is the one who drops off Henry at Ninja, while I do get email notifications, there are also announcements that are made during Ninja that I'm hoping that my husband hears because he's the one that drops off Henry. Well, he wasn't around for the announcement that Ninja was closed today. So slightly frustrating, but Henry was like, I thought I heard them say they were gonna close it, but I don't really remember. So yeah, that's okay. All right, so we'll put a poppy here. And then, actually I really like that there. Then I almost feel like it's too much to add another cactus here. So what if I actually added just the red poppy right next to it, just a little higher. Then adding a quote in between. Follow your heart. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, then I'm going to turn this around so that I can add the alcohol ink up at the top here. And let's put it, yeah, let's put it here. And I'm placing it here because I don't necessarily want it to be exactly on the same side as the other alcohol ink that's here. And then this one, nope, placing here as well. So the bottom alcohol ink are more towards the outer edges of the spread, and then these two at the top are towards the middle. So there's a little bit more of a balance. Okay, then can turn this around now. Make sure I'm still in frame. And then, let's see, which bloom do I want to put where? I think, see, this is a tough one because just the way that the blooms are, I don't necessarily know which is the best orientation for them. I might cut this one like this and place it across these two pages. Okay. Actually, I'll put this one down first because it's the bigger of the two halves. And yeah. There we go. I will have to cut off part of the sticker up the top there, but no big deal. Then, oh, there we go. Perfect. Let's cut off this part first. All right, and my husband is deciding that now is the best time to start testing our new doorbell camera. Like, really? That's okay. I just find it funny. I mean, I did ask him to set it up. So, okay. And there's Lucy going again. I want to put the yellow one down over here. Oh, there we go. There's the doorbell again. And I think, yeah, I think I want to put one more poppy down maybe on this side. And then that will be it for stickers. Now, the thing is, oh my gosh. Oh, of course he's gonna start doing that now. I'm gonna cut part of this off. And I hate that I'm doing that to this one because because the shape and the direction that the flower is going, I'd rather cut one that is more symmetrical. So let's do this one and cut it just like so. And if my head is in here, I apologize. There. All right, I'm happy with that. And then I'm gonna add one more quote to just say, let it be. So all the noise is now kicking off in my house. So doorbell camera is being installed as we speak. This looks like it's good to go, and Lucy is barking. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my blotting paper, and the two pens I will be using this week are my Zodiac Pen Co. in the new Cancer model in the 3 Olives Martini, and it currently has Robert Astor Kiza olive. And then this is my Radius Settimo Marmo Bianco, and this has Wearing Gold White Rabbit. So I thought both would be good for this week. Sorry, my brain. So up here I'm going to do sleep. And this week, I feel like I've been good about going to bed earlier. Oh my gosh, Lucy. I've been trying to go to bed before 11 this week because normally when my husband and I watch a movie, we don't go to bed. Well, I don't go to bed until after 11. And then during the day, obviously I'm tired because I'm up before 6. And then have to take a nap in the middle of the day during my lunch hour, which is fine. It's one of the great things about working from home is that I have that opportunity to do so. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, I actually like these two colors because this in color matches with that floral, and I just wanted it to bring out, I didn't want too much of one color ink to show through. So let's start with this one. I put in my work shifts here. I have been at my new job for a month now, which is crazy to me. That month flew by, and I am still very much enjoying it. I'm definitely still in the training phases of work, but I am enjoying learning about the company, learning about their values and processes and things, and yeah, really happy with that. Okay, this was meant to be a plan with me, but you're going to hear about the whole doorbell camera saga as I'm doing this. So I just Rob went to install the doorbell, and it was working great. And then I realized it looks a little high. He installed it to his height and he's 6 feet. And I said to him, you know, most people aren't this tall. You're gonna have to install it at the height of our actual doorbell. And it was a little funny. Okay, so now that my work shifts are in, let's go ahead and add in a few things that I know are happening this week. So my usual to-do lists on the Monday. I love writing with this nib. This nib is an extra fine cursive smooth italic that Kirk did at the Pacific Northwest Pen Show. So this pen was from the Pacific Northwest Pen Show, and then I had it ground then and there. So it's a very special pen to me. And then Tuesday, if my husband puts out the garbage, put out garbage. And I have a sticker for that. My mini icons. And there we go. I'm going to try add some new icons for, my anniversary sale coming in August. And I know I haven't been as quick about coming out with new icons all the time. Yeah, so there's garbage. Wednesday, nothing is happening on Wednesday. And then Thursday, there's a couple of things happening, which makes me think that we should probably do groceries on the Friday. And I'm thinking, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so let's see. I need my weighing scale because Thursday evenings are now when I go to Weight Watchers to weigh in, because I can't go to the Friday mornings anymore, and that's okay. And then after that, I am seeing my friend Adrian. We are going to the market for, well, I already have it in mind, Adrian, that we are going to just basically buy a bag of those really, really nice corn tortilla chips and buy a big thing of salsa or hummus, and then have that for dinner, and then have ice cream for dinner, or dessert. Adrian at Loca. Okay. Whoops. Friday. Oh, Lucy. Friday, we have, you know what? I don't have a dentist icon, and that's okay. I don't think I ever purchased dentist stickers, just because stickers are not going to make me enjoy going to the dentist. Nothing will make me enjoy going to the dentist. So let's see, even just I'm gonna put this little icon here. Robin and I have a dentist appointment. 2:30. 2:30 RNK dentist. Then Henry has his swimming. Oh, that's cleaning. These are cute. I really should go through these and use them more. Then Henry has swimming. Oh, there's the doorbell again. Hold on. So Henry has swimming on Saturday. Here we go. I had to remember that for a second. H at swimming. And he's doing really well and really, really enjoying it. Then Sunday, 11:30 to 12:30. H at Ninja. And then Robin at badminton, but I'm gonna write R at bad. Okay, we don't have any other plans that I know of yet for the rest of the week, so I'm gonna leave that as is. Oh, wait. Do I need to, no, dentist is the big thing. Oh, I know what I'm missing. Lucy's grooming. So she has a grooming at Hollywoof. I love the name of her dog grooming, Hollywoof. She has a grooming at Hollywoof at 12. And yes, it's going to overlap with where I put Henry's swimming, but I'm not too concerned. So 12 o'clock, Lucy, Hollywoof. And it normally takes about that long anyway. If I drop her off at 12, she'll normally be done by 2. So it works out. Okay, now I think we are good. Gosh, where did this go? Where did you go? Oh, because I took them all out. These sticker albums are from According to Allie, and they are still actually available on her, or in her shop, so highly recommend. Oh, and I just put that one away. I have how many of her albums? I have 5 of her albums, 5 of her sticker albums, and they're very, very helpful. They've got the terrazzo one, there's these blooms, and then she also has the mini ones, which I keep all of my things in. Rob's still testing the doorbell. All right, I think that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and sticking with me through the doorbell camera saga. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you would like to purchase According to Allie stickers, you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. Thanks again for watching and have yourselves a great day.